Hi all, welcome back to All About Radios. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of this Tecsun loop antenna AN-200. Yeah, it is a tunable medium wave loop antenna. I bought this recently and I wanted to test it. So today we're gonna do unboxing of this, and then maybe in the future videos I'll test this as well. So this was imported from China, I guess, but I bought it from a online store here. Nothing fancy on the box, and all the writings are in China, so let's see what we get inside this. Keeping the box aside, we have the loop here, and this is the manual, and thank God this is in English. Okay, tuning frequency is 500 to 1730 kilohertz, and there are two ways this antenna can be used. One is with this mono aux cable and a special coupling. Okay, these are the directions with which we can tune the radio with this antenna. Okay, there is a 3.5 mm jack here through which we can connect this to radio as well. And it shows parallel signal reception has strongest effect. So that's all in the piece of paper here. And as I showed, we get a mono aux cable kind, which can be plugged here. This is antenna output. Tecsun AN-200 medium wave loop antenna. This is the tuner. So I think 0 is for 500 kilohertz, and if you tune it up, this will be 1730 kilohertz. And this is only for AM band and long wave, I guess, but the frequency which Tecsun has included in this doesn't show any long wave frequency. So this was the unboxing. Here we have some more details, like it was imported January 2021, and there is a hologram logo plus some serial number. I think there are some 30 tuning loops here. I have not counted, but I feel they are like 20 to 30. So this was the unboxing, guys. I'll do another video which I'll use the Sony ICF306 and try to loop this to the ferrite and see how see what the improvement we get in the signal. So thank you guys for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I have few more radios to show you, which I'm trying to shoot very soon. So please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of those videos.